The Shark Ion W1 cord-free handheld vacuum combines portability with surprising power, and also comes with a number of accessories designed to handle all your cleaning needs. Attach the multi-surface pet tool to remove pet hair from upholstery and other delicate surfaces. It can also pick up larger messes quickly and easily. Attach the dust or crevice tool to clean hard-to-reach places, including tight corners, high ceilings, under appliances, and along baseboards. The mattress tool is designed to help clean mattresses and upholstery. Attach the scrubbing brush to pick up debris and safely scrub carpets and floor mats. Attach the soft dusting brush to gently remove dust from surfaces like shelves, baseboards, window frames, and more.
Isn't it a pain to get the whole vacuum out when all you need is the attachments? You're shackled to a big machine that's tethered to the wall. And there's got to be an easier way to do the stairs. So I designed the Gtech Multi to put high-performance cordless cleaning in the palm of your hand. You get 20 minutes powerful cleaning, plenty for the stairs, sofa, caravan or car. The Multi comes with all these tools, and its power brush shifts all kinds of dirt, even embedded pet hair. So when you can do all this with a lightweight handheld, you don't have to drag a big vacuum around. Order your Gtech Multi today.